Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn how to add the Tailwind CSS in the Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. To use the Tailwind CSS with the Vue 3, you will need to set up a Tailwind in your project. This setup includes the installing the Tailwind, configuring it and the customizing it is as desired. Okay, so first of all we have to install the Tailwind CSS. If you haven't created the project, make sure you have to create the project like this. Okay, and if you want to go with the project with white, so make sure you have to use the white, because already I have told you like how to create a project with the white with Vue. Okay, so let's begin with the installing the Tailwind CSS. So these are the things that we have to install, that is Tailwind CSS, post CSS and auto prefixer. Okay, so first of all let's install this. Control C, let's v paste this and install these packages. This is done. Moving to the next step. After the installation, initialize the Tailwind CSS to create the configuration file with the help of the npx Tailwind CSS init p. Okay, so let's add this. So create a Tailwind CSS config file and the post CSS config file. If I go to my project, and here you can see that the both files are created. Okay, Tailwind config is also there, right? So let's configure it. This command creates the two files in your project root, that is tailwind config.js, tailwind's configuration file, and the post css config.js, post css configuration file for processing the tailwind in the build process. Configuration tailwind css. In the tailwind config.js file, set the content property to specify which files tailwind should scan for the class name. So it should be index.html, view, js, ts, jsx, tsx. Okay. So tailwind config.js file, here we go with this one. So content, which content you want to read. So let's add this configuration file from there. Okay. So let's add this, update this file, but control Z. I think import is there. So let's add this only. Okay. So this is done. Moving to the next, add Tailwind's base styles. Add the Tailwind directories to your main CSS file, typically source assets main.css or source index.css. So make sure you have to add these lines. So here we have the source assets and there is style.css. You can also add it over here on the top of it. Okay, this is added. Moving to the next part, the import CSS file in your main entry file, usually main.js. So here we go with this one, but it's already I think added. If I go to the main.js file, and its app view style.css already imported, so I don't need to do anything. Moving to the next, using the Tailwind CSS in the view component. So this is the example that we are going to use this. So let's see that the Tailwind CSS is coming or not. Okay, let's use this one. Where is our app view component? So let's remove this or comment this, add this code. Okay, for the Tailwind CSS. If you have the script, then add it. If you have a style, then you can add it over here. Okay, and this is our template with this is the Tailwind CSS classes that we are using. Save this, run the project, npm run dev, and have a look. Open the link. Here you can see this is the Tailwind CSS classes that is already used. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.